Hey guys, got a real simple repair today. That being, I'm installing a lift support or jack pad. These are normally found in the four corners of the car. My car has 1, 2, 3, but it's missing the fourth one for some reason. I don't know why. It was like that when I got it. So today is going to be about putting one in. I expect it should be really simple. I'm thinking maybe one level harder than changing a light bulb. So if this is something, stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, my question, why even have a jack pad? And the simple answer is it just gives you a very specific point to put your jack and lift the car safely. And by safely, I mean without damaging the frame rail or other components on the car. I can remember other cars when I was younger, specifically only had one point to jack the car from on the side. And that was along, you could see the pinched welds that held the body and frame together. And they supplied a jack that had sort of a gap in the center, and it would go on both sides of that frame rail and then lift it up. But I can also remember having a lot of cars back then where that long frame rail was smashed because people had used like a hydraulic jack or a flat jack to lift it rather than something that was split. Well, the jack I have, which here, I'll show you later, it's flat too. It's a real low profile jack, so I can get under the car and lift it up. I don't use the split or anything like that, one, because it's a hassle. And with a jack pad, it doesn't matter. I just slide it under, lift it on this, and I know I've got it in a secure place that's not going to damage the frame rail, and it's going to make it easy to lift. So convenience and quick use. I mean, you take it to an auto shop or anything like that, you know they're going to use, well, you don't know what they're going to do, but they're likely to use the right spot. Anyway, I'll show you what's missing here, and then we'll put it in. The process really should be just jamming it up inside, and it comes with a pin that you force through the hole that then spreads these connectors to make sure that it doesn't fall out again. So let's do it. Okay, under the car here, you can see that thin frame rail I was talking about for like unibody construction where they put it together. But old jacks, they'd split and they'd lift on both sides of this. But to make it simple, right here in this square is a whole place where the jack pad would go. And then you can just lift it from this entire square and not worry about crushing your frame rails. Run it. Oh, so simple. Next, I'm going to put in the pin. Wow. And it's that easy. Wow. Okay. Okay, now that we got the jack pad installed, we should give it a check and test it out.